Okay, today we are going to go over the 2022 Forest River Wildwood Grand Lodge 42DL. This is a park model trailer that has a dry weight of 12,719 pounds, GVWR of 13,855 pounds, cargo capacity of 1,136 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,855 pounds. This has an exterior height of 13 feet even with an overall length of 41 feet 10 inches and an exterior width of 8 foot 6 inches. The holding tanks on this are 39 gallons for the freshwater tank, 40 gallons for the black water tank, 80 gallons for the gray water tank, and has a 20-foot awning. Hey folks, today we're going to go over the 2022 Wildwood Grand Lodge. This is the 42DL model. A couple of really cool things that you can do to this, so make sure that you're paying attention. There's some options that you can pick in this thing that if you decide to just put it on a lot somewhere and it's going to stay there, there's some really great features and options that you can add to this thing to make it the way that you want it. Now, coming alongside here of the camp side of the trailer, you have one door going into the bedroom, and you actually have your residential sliding door. Up above us is a 20-foot awning, nice big awning. Now, some people don't want the awning on here. Now, this is something that you might be able to change. Like, you know, if you set this thing up on your site, you might want to build something onto it where that awning is just going to be in the way. Make sure that when you call your salesperson, you can talk to them about what you can do about that and see if you can get one without the awning. A couple of great features that Wildwood does, I don't see a whole lot of other brands out there that do this, is that they do these huge windows. And the benefit of these huge windows is that you're getting a whole lot of natural light, so that whenever you're going up to this thing for the weekend by the lake, you're going to have all the light, and it's going to be very relaxing just to kind of sit there and unwind. Now, coming over here to the back, I wanted to kind of show you again the huge windows. I mean, this thing gets so much natural light inside that I'd be willing to bet until that sun goes down, you're going to have these windows open and be able to see perfectly without any lights on. And one other thing I kind of want to touch on before we go any further, I want to let you know that we're on social media everywhere. And if you're liking this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, give us a follow, and you can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikToks. We're putting new information and media out there almost on a daily basis. We're doing how-to videos. We're doing limelight sections on parts. You know, what's the latest and greatest. We're also doing walkthroughs just like this one. So go ahead and give us a like, follow on all of our social media platforms. We really look forward to seeing you out there and showing you everything that we're doing here. Now, coming in here to the one man door that you saw from the outside is you can come right in here to the second bedroom, or to the primary bedroom, that is. Now there's a queen size bed in here, whole lot of walk around space. Now, one of the really cool things about this setup is that they have another model that is just like this one. It's just flipped around. Now, this is the 42DL. They also have the 42FLDL, which where we're at right now would actually be the living room, and the bedroom would be in the back. But for the purpose of this video, we'll stay relevant to this one. Now, you get your queen size bed. You get these huge windows still everywhere. You get your nice vinyl roller shades that makes it nice and dark in here. A lot of storage space. You get a lot of drawers here, a lot of cabinets down here, shelf space everywhere. And you even get your washer and dryer closet right over here, and some wardrobe space as well. Now, as we're coming out of the bedroom, we turn right and you'll see this staircase. As we walk up the staircase, we're going to look right. And when you look right, You have 2 sleeping areas with the teddy bear mattresses right there for a couple kids to sleep. You have kind of an end table there separating the two, where they can put their phones and Nintendos right next to their bed when it's time to go to sleep. And looking left, you actually have another sleeping area that has an overlook to the rest of the trailer. Now, if you don't have any kids, how does this benefit you? This can benefit you in a lot of ways. This storage space up here, or sleeping space, there's a lot that you can do with it. If you're going to live in this thing full time, you can definitely turn this into a storage area versus a sleeping space, which makes it perfect for with or without family. Now, when you come down the steps from the loft, you'll see right here at the foot of the steps, you actually have a vacuum here. Now, you actually do need to be plugged into a 12-volt source, like your shore power cable, to actually function this, but you do have vacuum attachments, things like that. So whenever you're sweeping and cleaning in here, you just bring it all the way down, push it up with your foot, sucks it all in, and then you're nice and clean. One of the really cool features is that there's not a lot of carpet in here, so that's a really, really nice feature. Now, when you're coming into the bathroom, you'll see that you have your nice foot pump toilet. This is porcelain, and next to your medicine cabinets, there's actually a switch for your hot water heater in there. Nice big shower here with the seat. A lot of headroom. And then moving over, you get a very large amount of counter space and sink with a nice big mirror. Now, one thing in this in these models that you can talk to your salesman about is you can talk to him about, what can I do if I don't want tanks? There is an option for these Wildwood Grand Lodges to where you can set these up without tanks and have an actual China style toilet inside. Now, kind of moving down the hallway here, past the sliding door, we're coming into the kitchen and living area. And right here, you have all of your switches, super easy to get to, so that whenever you're ready to set it up for the year, you just come right into the sliding door. There is your slide in and out button, and this actually operates both slides. So you can use this as a coffee bar, put your Keurig there. You know, you get a lot of great features, like a nice residential size Whirlpool refrigerator. And you even get, you know, like your securing straps that you can just take right off. You know, if you're wanting to move this thing to your storage site, and then once you're done, it's just super easy to open up and get into your refrigerator. Now with the refrigerator, you get your French door style, and you get your drawer right there for the freezer underneath. Moving on over here, you get a nice Furrion 3-burner range right underneath your microwave. Now, this is a residential size microwave. It's huge. So a lot of really great home features that you find in park model trailers, you're simply not going to find anywhere else. Nice oven, huge island here, a lot of counter space, lots of cabinet space. You know, so when you have all this cabinet space, you really think like, man, this is just like home. So looking in here, you can have just about anything you want in here, because it is just like home. So you have this set up at your vacation spot, you have it on your retirement land, things like that. Just bring all your cookware, bring everything, because you're going to have more than enough space to put it in there. And the last little bit of the kitchen here, you're coming over and you have this huge pantry. Wildwood, they set you up with a trash can, even just the small little things that you don't even have to worry about. In their other trailers, they even have little storage tubs, things like that. Wildwood, they just think about this stuff. It's a nice little extra feature, one less thing for you to worry about. So in here, you have raised edges on your shelves, so you can put all of your dry goods and things like that in there. You have plenty of space, as I said, for everything. Now, moving into the living area of the 42DL, as I said, there's another one that's similar to this, just reversed around, the 42FLDL, which would actually have this living area all the way over where the bedroom is on this, and vice versa. But as I said, for this video, this is the 42DL. So your living area is in the back right here. You get your nice 43-inch TV, lots of space and storage overall. You get your nice 5100 BTU heater slash fireplace right here. Some nice accent lighting up underneath. And you have this huge trifold sofa that has these huge windows right behind it that we saw outside. I'm not going to open them. It's really bright day outside, and you guys wouldn't even see it with how bright it is in here. But yeah, this is a trifold sofa that comes out to make nearly a queen size bed. So another sleeping option right there. Coming over here directly across from the TV is you have your recliners. You have your theater seating. So these will actually fully recline back. You have nice storage space right there in the middle, cup holders, and of course you have your massive windows behind that too. And then lastly, the dining area, you get your freestanding table and chairs. Very nice, comfortable chairs, nice big table, so that whenever you guys are ready to eat, go ahead and take a seat and enjoy. Hey guys, thanks so much for going through this trailer with me. If you guys are in the market for a park model trailer, we sell this one. Wildwood has the Grand Lodge like this in a couple of different layouts. They have the Lodge as a standard version that has a whole bunch of layouts. We have a whole bunch of other brands too that we offer for park models, whether you want to go up or down as far as fitting and things like that. We have so many options here at RV Wholesalers for your park model and destination trailer options. Go ahead and give us a call here at 937-843-4380. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. We'll see you out there.